The next topic of second module is additional table elements. We all discussed in the last concepts. We all discuss about the table, rows, columns, row span, column span. So next are the additional table elements. So there are some additional table elements. So which are there means, first one is table caption element. So table caption element means giving a name to the table. So the caption tag defines the table caption. So open brace caption, then close the tag. So the caption tag must be inserted immediately after the table tag. Okay, so we have to insert immediately after the table tag. Then so let's see one example of for this caption tag. So what we have to first specify, we have to specify the document type. So which type document we are using? HTML document. Then HTML root element, then head, then style. We have to define the style for table header, no table. So table THTD. So for the table and the table head and table TD, we are defining the style, that is border is 1 pixel solid black. Okay, then close the style tag. This is optional, you can define the style, or if you won't define also no problem, it is optional. Then close the header tag. So body tag, within the body tag you have to describe the table. So next we have to open the table. We are creating the table now, so table tag we have to use. Then so after the table tag immediately we have to give the caption. So caption is student information, then close the caption tag. Then tr, open the tr tag. Tr means row tag. So in the first row, what this is the, you can see this is the first row now. So for the first row we are giving roll number, name. Okay, then close the tr tag. The first row is finished. Then the second row, for in the second row we are inserting the data. No, so tr, this is th mean that row header, table header, row header na, that th heading, which means. So next td, we are inserting the data, right? So for the first row, this is table header. So then in the first row we are inserting one and the name, some name we are inserting. And for the second, then close the tr, again open the tr, the second row, sorry, in this third row, then 2 and the bbb, the name is bbb, and close the tr, then open the tr again. In the fourth row we are giving a roll number 3 and name as ccc. Then close the tr tag, table tag and the body tag, and finally close the html root element. Okay, then so you can see the output here, right? So this is the output. So this is the table caption. So what is the table caption? Student information. This is the table caption and this is the table. So this is the table caption tag. Okay, then next is call and the call group elements. So the call tag specifies the column properties for each column within a column group element. So we have to give, in using this call tag we can give the color, background color or style to the entire column. Okay, then this call tag is useful for applying a style to the entire column. So instead of repeating a style for each cell, instead of repeating a style to each cell means one box now. So instead of repeating style to each cell, so this call tag is useful for applying the style to the entire column. For example, font style, font color, background color, everything we can define to the entire column using this call tag. It must be used with a call group tag. Okay, so let's see how it works. So have to mention the document type, HTML, root element, header, then style. This style is for only for the table border and the row head and the what data we insert. Now for that for each cell we are giving this line space 1 pixel solid black na each cell, that is TDTH table for entire table also. Okay, this style is defined. Okay, then next close the style, then close the head tag, then open the body tag. So table, so we are creating a table, so we have to use the column group. Within the column call group we use this call tag. Okay, within this call group we use the call tag. Okay, then call span is equal to 2. Span is equal to 2 means it is applied to the 2 rows. This for example, for these 2 rows it applies. Okay, so call is span is equal to span is equal to 2, then style background color pink. So background color pink for these 2 columns we are we are styling a pink color first 2 columns, and the next for the next 2 columns we are defining different. Okay, here you can see call span is equal to 2 means for these two column pink, for these 2 column aqua color is we are defining. Okay, so then call span is equal to here not a call span column span, this is only span call tag then space. For that column span we are giving continuously, no space between column span. So span is equal to 2 means it is applied for the 2 columns. Then style is equal to background color aqua that is sky blue color is displayed. Then close the column group, we are define the style for the columns, entire columns. Then we are creating a one row. First row that is tr, then that row head is th, roll number, name, city and the marks. So roll number, name, city and the marks. Then again close the tr tag. Again next new row, that is second row tr td, we are entering the data td. Then for the roll number 1, name AAA, city Pune and the marks is 78. And the third row, so we are giving, open the tr tag td2 td, name BBB and city Mumbai and the marks is 88. And the for fourth row roll number is 3, name is CCC, then city Bangalore and the marks is 97. Like that we are given. So this is the output. For these 2 rows the pink color is displayed, and these 2 rows what aqua color is displayed. I will show you, it is in the back black and white color. Like this you get. Okay, for the first 2 a pink color and the next 2 it is aqua color is displayed. Okay, this is the output of that program. Next we'll move to T body, T head and the T footer, that is table body, table head and the table footer. So we can give the style to the table body, table head and the table footer. So this T body tag is used to group the body content in a HTML table. The T body element is used in conjunction with the T head and the T foot, that is table header and the table footer element, to specify each part of the table such as body, header and the footer. This is a body, this is header and this is the footer. Okay, for that we use the T body, T header and the T footer. Let's see how these tags are used. So document type, we have to mention the document type, that is HTML, then HTML root element, header, then style. We are styling, that is table, TH and the TD, that is border is equal to 1 pixel solid black. Okay, then while closing the style, then T head, we use the T head now for the table head. This one, this is the table head now. For this we are defining red color. Then T body, so this is the table body. Okay, for that one we are giving green color. And the T footer, so this is the table footer, this one last row, that is table footer. For that we are giving what, blue color, and close the style tag, then head tag, and open the body tag, then table. So T head, this tag is used, this we are described now red color T head tag is used. Within the T head tag we are giving the first row, that is table header na, that first row is described. Then next, within the T body, close the T body, we are giving 3 rows, that is first roll number 1, 2, 3 are given between the T body. So this is displayed within what color, green color, and this is displayed as a red color. Okay, then next we'll come to the table footer. For the table footer we are giving the fourth, that last row, that is roll number 4 and name DDD Hyderabad. This is displayed with the which color? So T footer we are given the blue color. So you will get the output like this. So we'll this is in black and white. I will show how it looks. So this is the output of that program. Okay, so the table header is red and the table body is in green color and the table footer is in blue color. We described now. So you will get the output like this. Okay, so this is an additional elements of a table. Additional elements of a table, that is caption element, then call and the call group. Call and call group which is used to describe the styling to the entire column. And we next elements are T body, T head and the T foot.